Hi, I'm Dr. Shawna, and today I'll be talking about when you should bring your child to the dentist for the first time. The first dental visit should take place 6 months from when the first tooth erupts from the mouth or by your child's first birthday, whichever comes earlier. Now, why do we want to start seeing your child at such a young age? The first thing is to get your child comfortable with a dentist or a complete stranger to them looking into their mouth and checking on their teeth. This allows us to have a good view of your child's tooth development and to make sure that their dental development is on par with their age. We also would check for signs of tooth decay, and I think one of the most important things will be educating parents and caregivers on how to care and clean and manage your child's dental health. Some children, if they're old enough or brave enough, would love to sit on the dental chair and allow the dentist to check into their mouth. Some kids would much prefer if they sat on their parents' lap, which we will be more than happy to do it during a dental checkup. Preparing your child for their first dental visit is super important. Talk to them about coming to the dentist and prepare them mentally about what's going to happen. Do not scare your child with words like pain, the dentist is going to take out all your teeth, or injections or needles. That will instill fear in them even before meeting us. One way that you can help prepare your child for their first dental visit is to show them cartoons or books about going to the dentist. Then they will know what to expect. Do remember, a child can sense your fear or anxiety. So as a parent, keep a positive outlet. Keep your fear and your anxieties of coming to the dentist away from your child. It doesn't hurt bringing your child to the dentist very, very early on. Waiting too long can be detrimental to their oral health. Visiting the dentist helps your child develop good dental habits and gets them on their way to get excellent oral health.